Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito with Khara soda. First, grab your favorite glass and add about 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 lime wedges, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Gently muddle these ingredients together. You want to press and twist just enough to release the oils from the mint and the juice from the lime without tearing the mint too much. Then, fill your glass completely with ice. Next, it's time to add the liquids. Carefully pour 1 1/2 ounces of white rum over the muddled mint and lime. If you prefer a non-alcoholic version, simply skip the rum. Then, top off your glass with chilled Khara soda, filling it almost to the brim. Give the entire mixture a gentle stir. This helps to evenly distribute the flavors without losing too much of that refreshing fizz. Now for the finishing touches. To make your mojito look as good as it tastes, garnish it with a fresh sprig of mint. Gently clap the mint between your hands before adding it to release its aroma. You can also add a thin lime wheel to the rim of the glass for an extra pop of color and citrus. Your refreshing Khara soda mojito is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Cheers! Here are a few extra tips for your perfect mojito. Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar and lime to match your personal preference. Some like it sweeter, others more tart. Always ensure your Khara soda is well chilled for that ultimate refreshing kick. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying convenience. Check the description below for a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.